Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. My name is Nick and today we will talk about Speeko application. So today I wanna review Speeko, and also this video is a short tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, I wanna show you how to download this app. So you can find this application in Play Store with me or in App Store. And to download it, just type in the search box Speeko. So first of all, you have to know that this application has pretty bad rating. There are a lot of bad reviews from other users. For example, this guy, there's nothing in the app. The only thing in the app is to ask me to get a subscription. So let's try to check this application. Let's install it and see what kind of application it is. So on your screen, you can see how this application looks like. As you can see, this is AI for public speaking. So you can use this application to speak with other people. So here is the interface. To be honest, on screenshots, the app looks pretty good. And here is the description of this application. As you can see, Speeko is more than just a public speaking app. It's a complete communication coach. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, a virtual meeting, or a wedding toast, Speeko will give you the confidence and skills you need to speak with authority and impact. So let's open up the application. Okay. Oh, and yeah, as you can see, this application running in Chrome. Okay, got it. As you understand, you can just open up a browser, for example, Google Chrome, and type in the search box Speeko and just open up this application in browser. Okay, first of all, we can create our profile. So to do it, create a name, in my case, Nick. Now type here your email address, create a password, and of course, click on the sign up button at the very bottom. You can save your password, then answer that question, what brings you to Speeko, for example, improve for work. Okay, let's select very confident. Okay, continue, and now we can start free week. Click on the cross icon at the top right, and finally we can start using the app. So this is how the app looks like. So to start session, you have to click on the new session button at the top right, and then you can select meeting option or presentation. For example, select meeting, then allow your microphone, and now we have to speak something more than 20 seconds. For example, we can say something about Speeko. Speeko is a really good and interesting application. Yeah. After that, you can click on the apply button right here. And here's the result for this meeting session. So pace good, talk time high, intonation dynamic. You can see more about these options right here. But you have to activate the paid plan, pro plan. And of course, at the very bottom, you can listen your record. Now we can go to the homepage. So here you will see all your sessions. If you wanna create a new presentation session, you can click on this blue button and select presentation now, and just start speaking. So let's exit. So right here, you can also import your, for example, records. Just click on the import button, find the necessary files on your device. Just find it in downloads, for example, or in other folders, and then you can upload it in this application. By the way, in the menu you also can find coaching. To be honest, there are a lot of interesting features, but almost all of them are paid. For example, Unroll is free, 2 minutes lesson, follow along to release tension in the body. Use this, then you want a quick body warm-up. This will help you project your voice. So just click on the begin to start. And the last option is Convos. So on this page, you can find a lot of interesting topics. For example, telling a story, introducing yourself. For example, here you have to tell something interesting about yourself. Here you need to tell a short story, for example, and so on. Also here you can select work essentials, speech coach, or of course everyday essentials. And of course, if you click on your profile, here you can find settings and the logout button. Unfortunately, other features available only for Pro plan. As you can see, to get Pro, you have to pay almost $20 per month. Well, hope this video was really helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.